Hey guys, Erica with a K here. Today's video is going to be on what I actually wore on our cruise because you guys have already seen everything I packed, but what I actually wore I think is a little bit more of an important video to show you guys because if you're anything like me, I had no idea what to bring. I didn't know if dresses was appropriate. I didn't know if rompers were appropriate or pants or jeans or sweat. Okay, so let's start with the boring stuff. This is what I wore actually on the way to the cruise and everything like that. So it's just a scarf and like a cute little crop top, some jeans so that I had some versatility. These are my favorite jeans. This jacket, because we were leaving out of New York, didn't know how the weather was going to be. Thankfully, I did wear the scarf and the jacket because the first day was so cold. It was raining in New York. Another outfit that I packed on my cruise. It's just a cute romper. Here's another cute little romper that I packed. I wore a black bra with it, not the nude one, but it's still equally as cute. This is actually in the haul that I had from my Amazon for my birthday, everything that I got from Amazon. This was one of the things. This adorable dress. I actually wore it like this, which is not nearly as cute as it is without it, but we were really tired that day. Forbes bathing suit cover up that I wore. Cute. Isn't that so cute? Can't even deal with the cuteness. So these I actually wore the day we went to Horseshoe Bay, which was really nice, or Horseshoe Beach, whatever it's called. I love it. I think it's just so cute. And they're pants. Here's another adorable bathing suit bottom cover up. This can be found in the video of my turning a skirt into pants. This is them. I love it. Here's another bathing suit cover up, which I think is just so cute. It's a romper, but it's a little see-through. I used to wear it not as a bathing suit cover up, but now I wear it as a bathing suit cover up because it's a little see-through. Okay, so here's another bathing suit cover-up skirt that I have. This definitely doesn't have to be a bathing suit cover-up, but it's so cute, isn't it? And my adorable shoes. And this is what I wore every day to work out in. This would be my workout outfit. It was the same one every day, I'm not even kidding. And if you guys want to see how I did my makeup for our cruise, I will also link that below. Thank you guys so much for your love and support. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Until next time, work hard, dream big, eat cake. Bye guys.